Magdalene and all. And kasi everybody came, girl, they're so blessed to have you. And because of that, sa pinapakita niyo sa akin, I know naman na hindi ka plastic ganito because kahit ganito na ang oras, nandito pa rin kayo. Ibig sabihin you love me, and I want to believe that. And you know, sa Gupan, even if sometimes we are pissed, okay, we will still really, really wish you the best. Okay? Ma'am Marlene here always, alam mo yun, lagi kayong pinagsisermon or whatever, nagsasawa kayo, which you know is part of our job. Sa amin, meron na kami lisensya. Kayo, we are trying to help you to get your license. So I hope you understand that. Throw away all the garbage in your heart. Okay? Throw away everything na trash dyan sa buhay ninyo kasi you will never fly if you have that trash. So from now on, start to forgive and start to move on and start to love people even if they hate you. And you know what, Dagupan? Whatever it takes, you will fly so high. And the people who hurt you will be looking up at you while you're flying. Now be careful not to pee on them and not to step on them while you're on the high. Okay? Because remember, kahit nag-aalong kalayong nilipad mo, kataas ang nilipad mo, maaari kang bumagsak. All you have to do, secret in life, is to forgive, let go, and carry them with you. Okay? And always trust that God is doing something in your life. Even if you don't see it now, even if you don't see the miracle that God is doing at you right now, kasi ang gusto mo kasi, andyan sa agad yung hinihingi mo, no. You have to work hard for it. Kaya nga sinasabi ko yung manage your time. Diba? And the Gupan, you are the pioneer of this review center. And I believe that you will make it in this coming board exam. Yes. And like God said, you are going to entrust everything to God and offer that license to God. Huh? And then you offer it to your family dahil hanggang magmula noon, even if you hate your family was there. And your family are still here. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw ay naghihirap, nandiyan pa rin sila. Kung ikaw ay they're wishing you bad luck or whatever, hayaan mo na lang manahimik ka because God is there. Ha? Hayaan mo siyang mag-stay beside you. Just be quiet. Because you know what? Quiet people are the ones who fly. Forgive. Okay? Now, my wish for you, you're going to build the candle after, di ba? My wish for you, each and every head who will be taking the board exam and who is here right now, I wish and I fervently ask the Lord with all my heart. If I can only give you the license, I will give it to you. But with all my heart, I'm asking my God, I'm asking dear God, to give that license to you. You have to accept it. Say amen. Yes. You will have that license. No matter how people put you down, you will be the victorious crab who will be able to climb that basket and you will be getting out of that basket soon. You start believing in that, you will make it. With all my heart, I wish you all the best and may God bless all your plans. Amen. Thank you very much, Dagupan. I will never forget this. In my entire life, paki-video ang lahat ng mukhang ito dahil ito ang mga makikita natin sa stage. Okay?